80% of the stuff you're doing right now don't need to be done. This might be an extreme example for me, even though I have all the systems to, get 90% or 95% of my emails answered. Even those 5%, like, just have no desire to. And I also realized, I've been experimental with it the last couple of months. Nothing has happened. My business is running, still making money, making more money over time, even if I'm needing to answer emails.
I find that the tedious tasks of my day, that's really been the genesis for me coming here, is to just delegate, is to learn to delegate. That's the most important thing that I think I'm learning through this whole thing. And there's so many little tasks that I'm doing constantly, from letters, drafting, discovery. I'm doing everything. And that is not bringing the value to my practice or my business. So that's really what I'm trying to go through right now, all the little things.
You're at the right place at the right time.
Thanks.
All right. But it is universal. And just accept that there's always the one thing that we're all limited by is by time. So that really, I have to get you back focused on module 1. If you already didn't go through it, module 1, if you've already been through it, go through it again. And definitely helps to watch the video as you're going through it. But here's the module 1 worksheet. So the first page is module 1 is that I would say the most important page of the entire program. It's kind of like your vision, your goal, where you want to be. It takes time to get there, but at least we want to have clarity on exactly what that is. What's the whole point of this? So start with the end in mind, as they say. The second part of it is, when I achieve my long-term vision, I will feel. This is essentially your why. What's the reason? Or how is it going to make you feel to kind of help you push you towards that vision, and also makes it more concrete. Number 3 is the limiting beliefs that hold us back from achieving the visions. Not technical enough, whatever those things are. We all have a bunch of them. Be conscious of those things. And again, the change in belief system is you absolutely can. It's the potential. Have the freedom to run your dream law firm, have more time doing what you love. Again, as I shared in module 1, comes from a book. And I think you should probably get the book, get more details about this. Pretty focused if you haven't read this book. And for anybody who's struggling with time, the more tabbed it is, the better the book is, especially if the top tabs are like and it's a change in this book, and then also obviously the 4-hour work week, and also the E-Myth Revisited.
And there is also the E-Myth for attorneys. I haven't read that, but I know that there is one specifically for lawyers, no?
Yep. And people have talked well about it. I haven't read it myself. Kind of like everybody goes, there's like phases or stages that everybody's in. So time is a thing. I was just like literally get the top 3 books and just have it all around me, and different, having your living room, have your bedroom, and just like consumed by this idea. I know I need to free myself up. So this is what the challenge I'm dealing with. And I'm going to surround myself with all these ideas and things. And the more that you bring it into your consciousness and the more you study it, the more you'll get yourself towards it. E-Myth for Lawyers is good, but actually the original one is the best. Right? I love E-Myth so much. This comes from the book.
I did the coaching program, by the way. If anyone wants like more information, I paid for the 6-month coaching with E-Myth. Don't know if I recommend it, but I think this is actually more valuable. But if anyone wants more information, I'm happy to share.
It's probably will pay for itself for sure. But if you complete this and you have clarity on what those things are, this is the tangible thing that will come out of it. And take this seriously. Again, doing this at the right time also makes sense. This, when you're not distracted, really thinking about it, brainstorming this. What are the tasks that I really don't enjoy doing and I'm not good at anyways? And I try to give you guys some clues based on my stuff that I don't like doing and I'm not good at it anyways. So what those things are. Add on, and it's not like, you add on to it over time. And this is one of those worksheets, leave it on your desk. You're going to be adding to it. So write those down. And first is like dumping all those things first. You're not trying to answer whether I should delegate or automate it. Second is the tasks you're good at, but you don't enjoy doing. The one big one is like people updating the website. Actually, no, not updating the website. Answering emails. You don't enjoy answering emails, but you're good at it. Distraction zone, tasks you enjoy doing, but aren't really necessarily good at. That one is updating your website. You enjoy being creative and making those tweaks, but you should not, at this point, nobody should be tweaking their own websites. It's beyond you. But they're fun because you enjoy doing it, but they're not a good use of your time. And then the desired zone, your high level, the tasks that you really enjoy doing, and you naturally go towards, like I call it, like gravitating towards it without even you needing to get paid for it. And that's where like my Saturnight kind of goes towards all this desired zone stuff. It's creative brainstorming of like new creatives and new things that I have to do, new systems, new practice types, new campaigns, new funnels. That's where my desired zone is. Once you dump all those things down, then you go back up and you ask yourself, can I delegate this, automate this? Or a lot of people don't realize, just stop doing it. A lot of you don't realize like 80% of the stuff you're doing right now don't need to be done. This might be an extreme example for me, even though I have all the systems to, you know, get 90% or 95% of my emails answered. Even those 5%, like, just have no desire to. And also realize, I mean, I've been experimental with it the last couple of months. Nothing has happened. My business is running, still making money, making more money over time, even without me needing to answer emails. So that's been one of the things that kind of, and it's extreme, and I don't know how my mentor feels about it, but that's something that I put on myself. Then my mindset is, what's the categories of these things? Categories, and you could like kind of categorize yourself. You call it ABC. So there's some A stuff that's like, and it's like filing, kind of writing stuff. So that's category A. It's all the writing stuff. B is anything with like phone calls and talking. C is like marketing or creative stuff. Now you're gonna have a category of the 3 types of people that you need. You need somebody who can do things behind a computer writing for you. You need somebody to take on calls for you. And you have some stuff that's like marketing that you don't, you know, that you can delegate to. And that leads you to module 2, which is these are the people that I need to hire. And now when you look at your list, oh, let's give all the A tasks to this person, B tasks to this person, C tasks to this person. You need to get it down on paper. Well, basically that's what it comes down to. Be clear.
Yes, I've been going back and forth with this. I've probably gone through module 1. I'm on module 3 at this point, but gone through this probably 3 or 4 times, just completely trying to break that. And this really helped, kind of breaking it into categories, because just to really step back for a second and look at all the things that you're doing and really, you know, go through it. It's amazing how many little tasks there are. And you're right. I mean, you could delegate all this stuff. It's amazing.
Have it down next year. Have this paper down to next year. And as soon as you're about to, you'll have triggers. As soon as you're like, am I supposed to be doing this? No, stop doing it. Just write it down on paper and just stop.
Yeah.
Have like rule for yourself. And create a do not do list for yourself. Do not do rule. As soon as you're about to do it, like, I really shouldn't be doing it. Go add that to your list and stop it. It's called parking it. Park it. I know it needs to get done, but maybe now is not the time for it. Maybe it's not a priority. I get those texts all the time. Hey, Sam, what do you think about this? I'm like, it's great, but not for you at this moment of your life right now. I already know you. You need to just hire more and delegate more and do that. So just do that. Don't worry about this other tool of other things. Who cares? Yeah, is it good? Yeah, sure. But who cares? Just park it. Have somewhere to just store it. Store it so that mentally it kind of eases you on, do I need this? So no new tools, and nobody needs new tools and things like that.
Lawyer Nation, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, take a moment right now to subscribe right below and turn on the bell notification to get notified every time I post a video, because right now I'm posting 5 videos a week, providing lots of value to lawyers. So click right here to subscribe, and to watch the next most relevant video, click right here. Go do it. Go watch it.